In this video, I will show you how to download Minecraft for free. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to go ahead and download Minecraft for free, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up a new internet browser and come across to google.com. In the Google search box, go ahead and type Minecraft download and then press enter, and what you want to do is click onto the top results. So you want to make sure you come across to the official website, which is minecraft.net. So go ahead and click on this to open up the link. And what you can do is download Minecraft from here. So by default, it's going to download the launcher for Windows 10 or 11. However, if you scroll down slightly, you're going to get some different options. So as you can see here, you've got the option to download Minecraft on your mobile device for Android or iOS, or you can download the Minecraft server software and also for Linux. So you just want to go ahead and choose one you want for you. Because I'm on a Windows 10 PC, I'm just going to go ahead and download the launcher for Windows 10 and 11. So you just want to click on the button to start downloading the installer. So it just takes a second or two to download. And once that's done, just go ahead and open up the installer. And what you can then do is just run through, install the Minecraft launcher, and what it's going to do is update this automatically as well. So it just takes a minute or two to run through and do this. And once that's done, it's downloaded and finished updating. You can see it's currently loading through. So again, it just takes a minute or two. Normally it takes a bit longer when you first run Minecraft, but after that it should be a bit quicker in loading through. And as you can see, we're now on the launcher. So what you can do is just go ahead and select the version you want to play, whether you want to play Java Edition, Minecraft for Windows, Dungeons, and so on and so forth. So that's how to go ahead and download Minecraft for free. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.